Hello everyone, this video will show you about Snapseed editing and add filters to random photo. Okay, then let's start it. First of all, open up Snapseed and click the plus sign. Then choose a photo. Okay, here is some filters for you. So I just choose accentuate. Okay, then click the tick mark. Then go to tools and tune image. Then adjust this as you wish. I don't like the background, so I just adjust this as my choice. Okay, then keep doing it. Right. Okay, then this is done, so I just click the tick mark, and then I want to blur the background because I don't like them, so I tap on lens blur. Staying the take it correctly focused on this. So okay, it's done. Then increase blur strength. Okay, it's just vanished. Okay, then transition, increase a little bit. Okay, this picture is done. And okay, this is all I want to tutorial you. Then export it and save the copy. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this.